Hey, this is JC. Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. Today, we're going to have a look at the Work Pro Titanium Utility Folding Knife. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to help the channel out. And if you'd like to support the channel even more, do check out my shop links in the pinned comment or description below. You can even join as a channel member for exclusive content. Thanks a lot. A shout out to Work Pro for sending me these knives. Now, Work Pro is known for making utility knives and different tools, but they're known for their folding utility knives with these replaceable blades. However, this version is a premium titanium version, and I believe it's really designed for the EDC market, so I'm curious to check it out. Alright, so here we have, you get cardboard packaging like that, very simple, but on the inside you do get these very nice gift box looking packaging. Now, however, it is almost impossible to push the drawer out from this packaging. I could not do it for both, so I had to kind of tear and cut at it, and that's the only way I could remove the packaging. Now, that's a pity, I think, because it's a really nice gift packaging, but you have to kind of destroy it in order to get to the knife. But that's just a small point. What we really want to have a look at are the knives. As you can see, they look very nice, very premium looking, especially when you consider utility knives, which are generally designed for industrial use. So they've really upped their game. In this case, this is an aluminum handle scale. Very nice fit and finish, beautiful red spacer there. Now the inserts and the liner lock, they're all titanium, the blade holder as well. So that's what gives it its premium look. Deep carry pocket clip, not reversible, but still nice, fairly deep carry. They call it deep carry, but it's not exactly deep carry. You do have about, I'll say, half an inch sticking out. Now this one is identical except for the handle scales. This is G10. Now, they're both the same price, just under $30. You can check out the link in my description. So it's pretty decent. So really you can just choose one based on your preference and not really based on the price. Now, I actually like the feel of both. The only thing I don't like about this one, I guess, is that billboarding is very prominent, whereas this one is a bit more subtle because it's engraved in the G10. But I do like the feel of both. All right, let's have a look at the knives in just a bit. Let's first have a look at the blades that come with the set. You get 10 extra blades. These are SK2M blades. Now, it's high carbon steel, so they can rust, but you can see the Work Pro logo there. So very nice quality blades, 10 of them for you to switch out. So that's quite a lot. So that's nice. Now let's have a look at the knives themselves. All right, let's talk about some dimensions. So the length is 3.5 inches. The width over here is 1 inch, and then thickness is ½ an inch. So very handy size, very pocket sized, friendly. Now let's open this up. There's a thumb stud there. You can slow roll it out, just like that. Blade holder is titanium. Liners, titanium. There's a liner lock, which means to close it, you have to press it to close it. So that's the locking mechanism. So that's nice. Good lock up as well. Press that and push it down. So if we can flick it out. Yep, you can flick it out with your thumb. So a bit of a fidget factor if you like to do that. Now these are the blades, so there's quite a bit of exposure from the blade length. A lot of the traditional utility knives tend to just show about ½ an inch or 3/4 of an inch out. This, you get more of a cutting edge, which is nice. Now let's have a look at the locking mechanism to remove the blade. So it is locked in place. There's a lever there, and I actually like this design better. Some other brands have a round turning wheel or like a disc. You have to lock it in place by turning it by friction. This, you just have to lever up, pull it out, turn it around if one side gets blunt, or replace it completely, and then to put it back, just push it back like that, and that's locked. So that's much easier, in my opinion, than having to turn a small disc and making sure it's tight enough. So I do like that. Overall, the fit and finish is good. In terms of The size, I think it's good for the purchase that you need when you're holding this with confidence, when you're using the utility knife. You do not want it too small. If you have larger hands, you want to be able to still have a good grip and not just have like a 3-finger grip on it. I have small to medium hands, obviously more than enough size for even larger hands. So that's a good thing over here. All right, let's compare this with some other knives and tools just to get a sense of the size. Of course, we have our Victorinox knife. This is the Tinker, and you can see in terms of the length, almost there. Thickness as well. Obviously, the shape and the width would be different. I've got a tool that's very similar to this in terms of the size. This is the Roxxon KS2. This is a multi-tool. It's got a blade, it's got screwdrivers, it's got a nice big scissors, so it's a multi-tool. And you can see there's similarities. Let's compare it with the G10 because this is also G10. Right? It is obviously thicker because it's got more tools, but the size quite similar. So really pocket friendly in that sense. So if you're looking for a very premium EDC friendly sort of utility blade, I think this is a very good choice. They've obviously thought about the design. They put in that red spacer, used premium materials for the liners and the blade holder, pocket clip, and then lanyard hole as well. Really more for the EDC crowd than kind of the utility worker who might be using this. So if you are in the market for one of these folding utility knives that have been built well and also priced right, I think you can check it out. Well, do you own these WorkPro folding knives, or do you own any past versions of their folding knives? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.